to understanding law. It is the tool that sharpens your power of argument. Not only that, vocabulary in this field defines what you can and cannot do as a practitioner. Vocabulary is structurally essential if you plan on pursuing a law degree. Your first test will be on the vocabulary I handed out on the first day of class. Let's review.
Due process. The government must act fairly and in accord with established rules in all that it does.
Procedural due process. The government must employ fair procedures and methods. Substantive due process. The government must produce fair policies and laws. Okay, police power. The authority of each state to act to protect and promote the public health, safety, morals, and general welfare of its people. Search warrant. A court order authorizing a search. Probable cause. Reasonable grounds. A reasonable suspicion of crime. Writ of habeas corpus / writ of liberty. A court order that prevents unjust arrests and imprisonments. Bill of attainder. A legislative act that inflicts punishment without a court trial. Ex post facto law. A law applied to an act committed before its passage. Grand jury. The formal device by which a person can be accused of a serious crime. Indicative. A formal complaint before a grand jury which charged the accused of one or more crimes. Presentment. A formal accusation brought by the grand jury on its own motion, rather than that of the prosecutor. Double jeopardy. Part of the Fifth Amendment which says that no person can be put in jeopardy of life or limb twice. Once a person has been tried for a crime, he or she cannot be tried again for the same crime. Bench trial. A bench trial is held when a defendant waives the right, and it is when the judge alone hears the case. Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be held against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you.